Howdy, I'm Zoe Duschinski. I'm a senior co-sci student, sorority member, and upon graduation, I'll be a third-generation woman in the construction industry. I think a lot of the times they say you're always gonna find your way back home, and there is a sense of home here, and I see more so now why everybody in my family loved it so much. I interned in Austin, Texas with a company called DPR. They're a very large general contractor. It was my first time out on a job site, and we were on floor 9 when I got there. By the time I left, we were on floor 35. So I was there for roughly 8 months and got to see a lot of different things, and I learned a lot. I enjoyed my internship so much that they actually offered me a job to go work with them in Dallas after I graduate, and I will be going to work for them as a project engineer. I think that it can be intimidating, but I've never felt more prepared. Our professors have done a great job preparing us for the real world. And I think that because our professors have been out in the real world in this industry, they've done nothing but a great job to prepare us.